How to create app shortcuts on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work on the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So if you want to create an app shortcut, for example, we want to create an app shortcut for YouTube app, just long press on the app icon and you will see these shortcuts. For example, we can select the search, so tap and hold, and then drag it onto your home screen. Now this will immediately send me to the YouTube search. So if I go to YouTube, this will immediately send me to YouTube search. So if I go back here, now I don't need to go to YouTube and then go to the YouTube app and then go to search. A quicker way is just to go here and then click on the YouTube shortcut icon. It will send me immediately to the YouTube search. Now there's also other applications. For each application, it has a shortcut. Some applications have no shortcut, but that's fine. There's for for Discord, or like let's say for Chrome, there's a shortcut to open a new tab. There's also a shortcut to open incognito tab. For ChatGPT, there's a shortcut to open the camera and shortcut to open the live audio. So some apps can have shortcuts and some they don't have any shortcuts. Now I will show you another example. So I'm gonna create a shortcut for ChatGPT. Just long press on the app icon, and then I'll create a shortcut for directly opening the voice. So click here and then drag it on to the home screen. So if you click on the ChatGPT shortcut, it will directly send you to the live audio, like the audio feature of ChatGPT. So shortcuts can be very useful. It can give you like quick access to some common tasks inside the apps, and it can save you some time. Instead of going to the app, you can just directly click on the shortcut and it will send you right where you want to be. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.